our next art project is going to be painting with Epsom salts, which should be really fun because it makes sparkly painting. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need is very hot water. We just boiled this in our electric tea kettle. You'll need some Epsom salt, something to mix it all safely with, and some liquid watercolor. This is actually optional. As the painting dries with just water and the salt, it'll make the sparkles anyway, but if you want to add some color, that is fun as well. So, in order to start, we're going to measure half a cup of hot water into our measuring cup here. We got half a cup in there, and now I have this half cup measure, and I'm going to add an equal amount of Epsom salt. So another half cup of salt. Would you like to stir?
Yeah, I'd love to.
I'm going to move this while you can handle it. Definitely don't want to touch that part right now, it's very hot. So you want to stir the water until all of the salt has dissolved. That nice cloudy Epsom salt water. And I add some color in there while you stir. And Rachel, I will let you tell me when the color looks good to you.
More. A little bit more.
Yeah?
And I think most of the salt is dissolved.
I think you're right.
It looks like most of the salt has dissolved. There we go.
All right, and the next thing you can do then, you can wait for it to cool off a little, but you can also start painting pretty quickly. Stir up and paint. Might add a little more color. Of course, you can do different colors as well if you plan ahead and measure it all out into different containers. So at first, it's going to look pretty ordinary, but as the paint dries, hopefully, you will start to see the crystals, the salt crystals drying and forming. We'll see what that looks like when it dries. All right, so we have, this is the painting I did when you were watching, and you can kind of see the shiny of the crystals that formed with the Epsom salt. And Rachel did a Jackson Pollock, nice and sparkly. If you want to get into finger painting, you can do your handprints and get little crystals. And I went for just a picture. This one's still drying, so I'll leave it flat. You can see how the different ways that the water dried made different sizes of crystals. So you can experiment and see if you can make really big crystals or really tiny ones. You should send us pictures of what you paint.